First time setup, pretty easy. And initial comfort check is an 8 out of 10. I like how it is so easy to set up and the high backrest. So even if I relax my head, I'm still super comfortable. Armrests are pretty decent. Just wish they were a little wider, but for a game, they definitely will do. There's a cup holder on the side here, and it's probably big enough for a can. But these rocker chairs are so cool. Look at the shocks. I like that this one folds up to the standard tube size when it's collapsed. I love the weatherproof material. It is nice and soft, and the mesh back makes it nice and breathable. This chair is definitely a win. It is super comfortable.